Hi guys, so today we're going to show you a really quick and easy way to decorate a fireplace with a garland and a wreath. So the first thing we do is we get our garland and we, in the middle, attach it with a screw and the sides. So that's all attached there, and then really fluff it out to make it look really full. And the next thing, we divided our product in half. So we're going to make a quick bow tie bow. So we're going to place them on there, the other side. So I'm going to show you quickly how we make that. So we throw our ribbon out, like so. And what you do is you actually do a little rehearsal. So you start to get the size, and so halfway, that is your point. So then the other side, you cut it to the same length. Okay. So then we get our center and we pleat that in. And we take a long piece of wire and we leave a short bit. We wire that off. Then we get the first, how big you want the side. Then you pleat that in. You take it around, make it really tight. And then the other side, it's the same size loop. Again, we pleat that in and wire off. And we put them flat to the front. Just go around so that they really stay forward. Okay. Then we wire the two wires at the back, twisting. Voila. Just cut them the same. And then, for the center, we cut a small section of the middle velvet. Then we fold the sides in, like so. We put that around the center, grabbing it at the back. And with one of the wires, we twist that off. Voila. Then we put that together. Trim that off. And then for the ends, I'm just going to cut them on a diagonal. Like so. Okay. Okay. So there we have it. So I'm going to wire that one into the center. Then we just puff it out and give it a little pleat. Okay. Then I'm going to put the other two in that we made earlier. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do, I have a big Santa, so I'm going to put him as a focal really in the middle. Again, we're going to attach him. I'm going to put him on one of the fir pines and then twist it round with the other one. So he hangs really good. Okay, so our focal is in. And the next thing we do is we're going to put in our clip-on flowers, you know, the flowers with the little clips. So this one I have 5, so I'm just going to clip them in. The next flowers we have, they're on the stem. So what I'm going to do is place them in, like 2 on either side, but weave the stem behind the garland, like so. And again, grab a bit of the fur and wrap it around the stem, and that'll really keep it in place. Okay, so they're in. So the next thing we have is we have some jingle bells, some long, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place them like on top of where the fireplace sits. Huh? So, again, they're on a ring, so we attach them there on top, and then bring one of the furs above, just twist it around really easy. And this side. Voila. And after that, now we're going to fill it, just the empty spaces, with ornaments and glass. And the first ones I have like long glass ones. So I'm going to dangle them down the side. Again, touch them in. Really in a group. Okay, so they're in. So now we're going to fill it in with a few ornaments and glass. And again, we're just going to wind them around. Okay guys, so now all our glass and ornaments are in. Now we just finish it off with our little clip-on birds, which just clip on the outside everywhere. And that's it. Quick, easy.